So we're going to move on to quality of life and Dan Lifton, CEO. Dan will be joined by Anthony and Andrew.
Hello, Karen. Hello, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity to present to you today. So to briefly introduce quality of life, we have built a brand around guaranteeing results backed by clinical endpoints. And the way we do that is with proven science. Our guarantee represents what we mean by proven science, specifically ingredients, all ingredients that are validated in human, not just animal studies, and delivered in dosages shown to be effective in humans. Today, I'm going to speak to you about a very relevant and much discussed and perhaps even cliche topic of immune health. That is represented by two of the products you see here in the center, utilizing an ingredient called AHCC. Immune health category has been experiencing very dramatic growth, as you all know, and there's no shortage of products. What I am hoping to do today is to convince you that you should reach for the most proven and clinically validated product, and that is AHCC. So let me briefly introduce this ingredient to you and then share some of what we believe to be the proven science about it. AHCC is a patented novel molecule that is extracted from cultured roots of hybridized shiitake mushrooms, a very special type of mushroom that is rich in a very specifically structured alpha-glucan. Alpha-glucans are polysaccharides similar to beta-glucans, and they're very well absorbed in the gut. It is a highly engineered product that is produced over a period of 90 days, and it induces immune response by coming into contact with key toll-like receptors in the gut. These receptors are actually most often associated with immunotherapy, and AHCC is very widely used in integrative oncology in Japan, Asia, and increasingly in the United States, as well as in areas of infections, viruses, and fungi, which is what I will focus on today. AHCC works at two levels. First, it activates the number and activity of dendritic cells. You can think of dendritic cells as border guards. They live anywhere in your body that is exposed to the external environment. That includes respiratory tract, nasal passages. They catch invaders as they try to enter the body, chop them up, and turn them over to another type of cell called T cell to get rid of it. AHCC has also been clinically shown to increase natural killer cells that are like Navy SEALs. They identify those hidden spies and invaders, attach themselves to them, and get rid of them as well. So AHCC works on both of those levels. Here's why AHCC is proven by science. We have more than 20 human clinical studies and more than 50 PubMed index papers across areas like influenza, bird flu, West Nile virus, human papillomavirus, and now there's an ongoing study on COVID-19 as well. And on that note, I'm happy to take questions.
Thank you very much. Anthony, how about you start?
Yeah, I thought it was a great presentation, Dan. And, I'm a big mushroom fan since introduced by Paul Stamets many years ago. So sounds fabulous, man. I really liked your presentation, and I already want the product.
Well, thank you very much. I appreciate the kind words.
So, Andrew, do you have a question?
Sure. Thank you, Dan. I've been a big fan of AHCC for years. It's a great material. You were talking about the alpha-glucans, and can you talk a little bit, do we find these in other mushrooms? There's lots of mushroom products on the market, but why is this really so unique?
It's a great question. So mushrooms are well known or best known for beta-glucans, and beta-glucans are fantastic. We highly recommend them, both whether they come from mushrooms or yeast. But alpha-glucans are different molecules, and in fact, AHCC was specifically developed because the levels of alpha-glucans tend to be extremely low in mushrooms. They're barely present. So the hybridization process was specifically designed to concentrate them and increase their number, and then the 90-day manufacturing process utilized to change their structure and make them more bioavailable. We have some data to show that they can be more potent than beta-glucans, and they can certainly be more synergistic. But it is really the magic is in the alpha-glucans and their specific structure.
Great, thank you.
Thank you very much, Dan. And remember, you can directly email Dan down below on the Quality of Life mini site.